What up, YouTube? Maz here. Today we're gonna be on the Aprilia Tuono V4. Tuono? I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but we're gonna be on this bad boy. Obviously, a different style bike, upright with handlebars. So let's check it out. Let's go meet Rafa up and see how this bike feels. Obviously, I think it's gonna be pretty rowdy, man. It sounds amazing. Let's turn it on, and it sounds badass. And I think it's gonna be pretty rowdy. Look at that. Look at that bad boy. Different style. It's my first time riding this type of bike, so I'm excited to check it out. I think it's gonna be very rowdy. The SC project sounds beautiful. So let's get to it, man. Let's get a couple revs. Oh shoot. Got the 360 in the back, so we're gonna record with that. Maybe get like a pure sound video, but for the most part, I think I'm a little late, so let's get to it, man. Let's turn this camera on, though. Oh, come on in. All right, we're good to go. Let's get to it. This upright position is totally different. It's actually, I just rode down the street. It's very comfortable. And the bike's already very nimble because of its position, the handlebars. I think it's about to be fun. Let me see. Yeah, it already feels, I don't know, it feels so different. Uh-oh. Okay. This is so different, dude. Okay, the auto blipper works pretty good. I feel like I said, I've never ridden anything like this. I don't feel like I'm on a obviously I'm not on a super sport, right? And it's just a totally different feeling right now. I feel like I guess when you ride super sports, like, I feel like I'm on top of this bike. You know, I'm just on top. And I'm sitting upright, so I'm very comfortable right now. Very, very comfortable. Power feels good. Okay. That sounds beautiful. I got music, but I can still hear it. Bro. This bike feels like a type of bike you just grab and just do some wild shit on. It is standard shift, so I gotta make sure to not fuck that up because it is standard shift. It's not GP shift. I am squinting. Don't do that, put your jacket on, but I don't have my jacket on today, so I'm gonna take it easier, or I don't know if that makes any sense because I'm probably not gonna take it easy, but yeah, wear your gear. That's on me. Don't do as I do as I say. Put your gear on. But bro, why is there so much traffic right now, bro? There goes the cop. Hey. you to flick this bike left to right. Obviously the handlebars are wider, and also because the front end is so light. Front brakes are pretty good. Okay. Bro, what is going on? There had to be an accident, bro. Bro, there had to be an accident up here, bro. Let me get through this, bro. Traffic, looking for my chapstick, feeling kinda caustic. Oh, there goes the Ford Maverick.
Traffic, looking for my chapstick, feeling kinda caustic. There's a Ford Maverick.
Is that the line from Malibu's Most Wanted? It's a little older movie. I'm showing my age right now, but I think that's what he said. But teletraffic, brother. Good on us first. Bro, it sounds so good, bro. It sounds so good, bro. Aprilia's always sounded so good. I rode the RZ4 in the past and I loved it. The sound, the feeling. So this is very similar. Obviously it doesn't rev as long because it does have a V4, but it's different than the RSV4 engine. That one revs longer. This one doesn't rev as high. But it sounds very, very like the same. It's the same. So, oh, I told you there was an accident. Unfortunately, hopefully everybody is okay. Okay, so this bike is easier to throw around I wonder how fast I get it up to. I got it up to like 160, 161, too. There's kind of traffic though, so I can probably get it up higher, but obviously we don't have any wind protection, so we're limited with aerodynamics. But man, this was a fun ass fucking bike right now. So let's get to the spot, meet up Rafita. What about Aprilia? Welcome to beautiful Dallas. Bro, okay, so far it's pretty fun. This bike is pretty fun. How's the front brake? I feel stoppy on it. Yep, I can. Ooh. Did I hit my emergency lights? What did I hit? Bro, the standard shift kind of threw me off right there. I almost shifted down. Oh, it sounds so good, brother. So good. Oh, yeah. Front brake is pretty good. Let me find neutral, brother. Oh, gotta go. Fire truck. Come on, baby. Yes, sir. Get through there, brother. Get through there. Bro, I think the emergency lights, they turn on whenever I do a wheelie. What's up, Papa?
You look spiffy, bro.
I can't hear you. Let me turn my music off. Rafa's here with his M1000. Beautiful. He just got it back. He has some engine problems with the first engine, and he got a new engine. So, shout out to BMW for covering it under warranty. He's back out doing braking mileage, so he can't go too fast. But yeah, let me take off this helmet and see what we get into. But so far, man, I think it's fun. First little ride, kind of ripped it a little bit. It's kind of fun. So let's check in with Rafa, and then we'll get back to y'all. All right, adios.